curry chicken chili. Once we get the oil in, drop the chicken in and start to break it up a little bit. Let's start with an onion. If you want a more milder chili, strip out all of the insides of the chili and you're dialing the heat level way back. I peeled up some ginger. I'm gonna crack a little garlic and throw that in, but we're at the point where we can let the onions and the jalapenos start cooking out because our chicken is browned. Salt draws out liquid, so we're gonna add salt and pepper. Coriander, cumin, chili. The garam masala, really earthy and lovely. So now we're gonna lift up all the good juice from the bottom of the pan by adding in a little chicken stock. I've got some diced tomato with tomato sauce. Now at this point, we can turn this sucker down a little bit. Chickpeas. Hello, dinner. Add a little of your sriracha. This is mango chutney. Add a few spoonfuls of this. Our chili is done. This is a chicken chili that also tastes like chicken curry. We're gonna garnish it with our green onions, our cilantro, a wedge of lime over here, right? Greek yogurt in the center. Delicious mango chutney, maybe an extra little dollop of the sriracha. This is equally delicious with basmati rice. You might wanna make an extra batch and it freezes beautifully.